How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First of all, locate your YouTube and then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you are, what you can do is head over to your bottom right corner on your profile icon. And after you're on your profile icon, what you'll need to do is make sure you're logged in into your account. And after that, you can find your history, playlist, and everything. So you can head over to your history from here. And after you're on your history, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then tap on Manage All History. And it will take you to your Google's account. So they can see you're on your YouTube history. What you'll need to do after you're here is head over to Interaction tab. After you're there, you can then see video interactions and video likes and dislikes. Tap on it. And after you do that, you'll find all the videos that you've liked. All you now have to do is remove this activity. For that, to do it all at once, tap on the cross icon under Today. So they will start deleting it. Tap on Got It. Now you can keep on doing this for all the other dates. And doing that is basically it, and that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.